Hey everybody, C3 here. It's like 10:30 right now, pretty late. But what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking the motherboard out of this right here and putting it in a different computer. But that's a topic for another video. I'm just going to be taking it out right now and replacing it with a different motherboard. The one in the previous video I got from my friend, which you can see somewhere on the screen. But yeah, let's get started. Well, I say that, but I need a screwdriver first. So now that I have my screwdriver, we can get started. The primary reason I've decided to swap the internals of this case is specifically because this case has extremely good, airflow. And a filter on the front, so that helps as well. I just gotta remove all the stuff. Remove all the cables and whatnot. It's a clippy cable. Get all these cables out. I'm going to leave this power supply in here. The next motherboard I'm going to put in there is going to require it. So, yeah, let me just go ahead and get the 4-pin power out. There we are. Shove it out of the way. Alright. Now, this uses annoying screws, but they're not tied in very tightly, so that's good. But first, I would like to get the graphics card out. I don't think I'm going to be putting this graphics card in the next system. Even though it requires one, just using a smaller one, which my friend also gave me in the package, would be substantially smarter than putting a large graphics card in such as that, but I'll think about it if the need arises. I can tell you right now it's not going to be very eventful watching me take out these cables. Or screws, so I'm going to go ahead and skip to the point where I have it out. Alright, I got all the screws out. Not all the cables, though. So now I can just pull it right out. Beautiful. Let me go get the new board real quick. One thing I remembered about this just now is he gave me the I/O shield with this, in addition to the board. So I can actually have an I/O shield in this thing for the first time in forever. Cool. Grievous injury. I didn't even feel that. It took me like a good minute to figure out that I'd even cut myself. Weird. So now that I have the I/O shield in and I'm now spilling my internal body fluids into the outside world, we can actually get onto the part where we put the motherboard into the computer. So hopefully this will fit, because if it doesn't, I'm going to have a fit. And if it does, which is very good. I think I might need an additional standoff, but I mean, yeah, maybe a couple additional standoffs actually, for the far side of the case here. Let me go ahead and see if I can find some. Okay, so I got the motherboard screwed in, and I have the phone slide out for a reason. If I can get this stupid... If you can see down in that connector there, for whatever reason, a couple of the pins are bent, so I'm just going to have to go ahead and bend those back. No big deal. I'll be back when I have that done. Okay, so I fixed that connector down there. Not going to bother showing you it. I just fixed it. Got all the cables plugged in. Interestingly, although this does make sense, this takes an 8-pin power connector for the CPU. Quite a high current CPU can be put in there, but mine really isn't in this case. But I just had the 8-pin power in there just for, consistency's sake. I plugged in the ATX power connector, and I plugged in the power switch and the HDD LED in the speaker. Now, one thing we need to do is we need to take out this section right here to get the hard drive out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I got the hard drive in. It's only secured by one screw, but it's screwed in really tightly, and it's got a piece of paper underneath it to prevent touching any metal, so hopefully that should be good there. I thought I could put this 140 millimeter Corsair fan into the area there, but it's too big, so rip that idea. But yeah, should be good to go at this point, I think. Can't really think of anything else that I really need to do before I get going, so I might as well just start plugging the power in. Okay, so we've got the power plugged in, all the cables and such plugged in, so should be good to go. Here's to nothing blowing up. Got a power light. No auto power on it, would seem. Let's go ahead and press the power button. There we go. Took a while. Yay! I guess it's just gonna keep that fan on max. But definitely doesn't like whatever I'm doing with it right now. So let me go ahead and get into the BIOS. So wow, that hard drive just super struggled to get going. That hard drive barely survived shipping, I think. But it seems to be going. Oh no, it shut off. What? The hell was that? It's only using 134 watts. $111. Oh, it did it again. So one thing I remembered is that he has quite the overclock on this thing, so I went and reset the BIOS settings to default, and hopefully it'll boot up now. Oh. Inaccessible boot device, huh? Weird. Okay, so it did the same thing again, so all of those random power offs went and fucked Windows up. Awesome. Let's go ahead and let me just go ahead and get into the repair options here. Though I think resetting the defaults did fix that random reset problem. So, okay, it's preparing automatic repair. Hopefully that'll actually work. I don't hear or see any disk activity, so this very well might not work. Oh, you know what? I know what the cause of this is. Oh. Oh, hang on here, bud. Actually, you know what? I'll let this go. Just see if it can do anything. Let's just go to advanced options. Wow, mouse, please. I know I have limited room, but come on, man. Advanced options. Actually, let me just go ahead and turn off and let me go ahead and check BIOS. Because I'm fairly sure there's RAID, AHCI, stuff like that. Oh, this camera's so dumb, please. So let me just go ahead and get into here. So let's see, storage configuration. Yeah, we don't want this ID. Okay, let's try HCI. Exit saving changes. Just point it away from the screen for now, because if I don't, I have problems. I hear that hard drive chugging away. Maybe this time it'll work. If not, I'm gonna put it in RAID mode. Try again. Please, camera. Come on, dude. I don't know if you can hear the hard drive, but it's definitely getting further than it was before, so... Okay, well, I'll just point it over there. You get to see my computer-infused background and half of the screen. There we go. And there's my name, Connor Longschlong. So there we are. Yeah, Network 2, go ahead. There we go. Awesome. Got all this stuff up. Okay, really, camera? Come on, dude. Alright, Real Temp GT. Let's see what that is. Yeah, of course I do. Yeah, I want to make changes to the computer, of course. It's poos. Yeah. It's a Xeon E5645. Pretty good CPU. It's a Westmere EP, 80 watt. Yeah, I think first thing I'll do. Oh Lord. Well, first thing I'm gonna do is gonna go ahead and get Chrome and whatever you call it. Oh man, why can't I remember it? Start 8 or something like that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got start menu installed, and I ran Cinebench, and the results are kind of shitty, honestly, but with some overclocking that should be a lot better. It's better than my X5355s and a little bit worse than my 4800 MQ, so that's nice. It's got more cores as well, so hopefully it should overclock a little bit better. So, yeah. Maybe we'll get a better CPU in the future, but for now, this is as good as we're gonna get, other than overclocking, so I think that's gonna be about it for this video. I'm pretty dang tired. Yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.